Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at a Yeardle puzzle. 3 more events that took place in the same year, and I'm going to try and guess what year that was. And it's a pretty old set of events today, I think, which I always struggle with. I mean, quite often I struggle with modern events, so I don't know if that actually means anything. The top clue, Chinese history, is not my strong point. I don't know when the Song Dynasty was. The middle clue is interesting. Anti-Pope of Rome, Pope Leo VIII. They didn't have popes in the BCs, I don't think, so this is going to be somewhere in the ADs, so that does at least narrow it down. And then the bottom clue, no idea when Sviatoslav I of Kiev began his 2-year campaign. But again, that feels like it's going to be 1st millennium AD rather than 2nd millennium. So I think we're going to go somewhere between 0 and 1000. Where do I think? Oh, I really don't know. I'm not sure if these are going to be that close to 1000, actually. I think I might go a bit earlier. Let's go for a nice round 500 and see if I'm remotely close. Oh, I'm not, and I don't know which direction to go. We'll test a little bit later. Oh, okay. So it is closer to 1000 than I thought. I don't think it's going to be after 900, because then that's getting too close to 1000. So we'll take smaller jumps, and we'll move a little bit earlier, and we'll move a bit earlier again. Oh no, it is going to be closer to 1000. Okay, so it's between 940 and 1020. Let's just go for 950. That's why I specifically went for 950, because we're at least 11 years off, but it can't be 11 years earlier, so it has to be 11 years later. So how about 970? We're narrowing it down, but we're also running out of guesses. We'll try 975. Okay, I've gone the wrong way, so it's between 61 and 64. So this is our 1 in 4 chance. I'm going to try 962. Oh, it was 963. I almost went for 963 for the arithmetic progression. It's a nice pattern going down in threes, but I pretty much always go for an even year or a multiple of 5, given the chance, because that's my hypothesis, is that they're almost always correct, or at least they're more correct than the random odd-numbered years. But it didn't pay off today. We just needed 1 or 2 more guesses, and we would have got there. Very frustrating. I'm annoyed with myself for going for 740. I should have gone for 980 with that guess instead. Obviously, it's easy in hindsight, I suppose. Anyway, we have failed, and I was 463 years off on my first guess. That's even worse. That is way worse than my average, and my average is pretty awful. So I'm sure you watching at home did better. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.